Hello and welcome to Geekatplay Studio Tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll look more on animations inside Vue. Currently, we're using Vue 9.5, but this will work for other versions as well. So as we look on animations, we also can use animations inside the functions to animate some shapes, colors, even motions. So let's do as an example and look on these options. Right here, we have it sphere. So let's just place it sphere. We'll take main camera, adjusting, and we'll go open material editor. Inside the bump, right click, edit function. So you can notice right here we have our function available. Next, for the bumps, when selected, we'll go ahead and select Perlin noise. One interesting thing you will notice on some function you have it animated. On another functions you can just connect to the time output. So you have a number and you can just go ahead and connect to the time if you need it. But for this example, for this node, I'll just go and enable animations. You'll notice we are now connecting time to our node. So all this node and will be animated with the wavelengths position at this point. So let's click OK. Next, I want increase displacement. Let's maybe put it 1. Pop up a little bit scrolling quality. Make us a little bit more visible. I'm going inside the colors and just loaded some colors as well. Let's edit. And you notice at this point, I can also connect my colors to my nodes. So whatever is changed, it will apply on a color. So it's kind of animated as well at this point. We can click OK. Let's click OK one more time. I'm going to, okay, here's our render. And I'm going at this point, enable timeline. Okay, we'll go select sphere, right click, add keyframe. We'll maybe move about like 3 seconds around. So right click, add keyframe to this point. And you notice if we start moving, it will change shape. This right here. And again, it is because it displays material, it does not apply to our main view. Okay, so we don't see in this point, but when we render, well, let's do a couple of things. We'll go to last step, take maybe slightly away so we can observe. Let's change this material and maybe even have it sound like more interesting, so we can go to the translucency and enable translucency at this point. Smaller. Okay, let's take sunlight. I'll just have a few modifications done at this point. You know what? Let's do these things. Because it's translucent, I want to get it some on the back of material. So we'll just preset like this, and okay, let's go to atmosphere options and set global radius in this case. Okay, so right here we have our kind of pre-done, and what I've done, I'm pre-render already some of this animation. So let me open and we can preview and see how it will look. Okay, let me close this one. Okay, and here's our animations. So you can see how with the functions we modified the shape and displacement for this material. So it's kind of changing and growing. And again, we animated the function, Perlin noise function inside the function editor. Same way you can apply animations for the colors, is what we actually did right here as well, for the lighting and position and motion. So inside the function editor, again, so let's go ahead, open one more time just to kind of overview. Right here, you just need connect to the time node, and this will affect and change with the our position. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial with Geekatplay Studio. Please remember, visit us on the web as www.geekatplay.com.